Hi, this is Tatum, one of the product specialists here at BMW of the Hudson Valley. Today I'm sitting in one of our 2024 BMW XMs, and today I'm going to be going over how to change the battery in your key fob. So I am going to be showing you how to change the battery in both style key fobs that we offer right now, starting with the newer one. So on the back you do have this button here. You just have to push that and push this down a little bit, and this will slide off for you nice and easy. And when you flip that over, you can see there's this little rectangle here. That's where your battery is. So just pop your nail in there, and then you can click it out, slide the battery out, replace the battery, slide it right back in, and then you're able to click this right back on as well, and you've replaced your battery. On our other key fob, it's pretty similar. There's a button right there on the side. You push on that and slide the key out, and you'll see there's a little bit of a lip there. Again, if you put your nail under there and just click that out, pop the back off, there is your battery. You just replace the battery, and then you can go ahead, put that back of the battery key fob on, click that in, key back in, click that in, and your battery's been replaced. And now you know how to replace a key fob battery. What do you want to learn about next?